If you're getting new windows and your installer measures from the inside, you're about to get less than you paid for. At Mr. Windows, we don't cut corners. We call it true fit installation. And here's why that matters. Most window companies take shortcuts. That's just the truth. They measure from the inside, drywall to drywall, and order a smaller window. The reason is because it's faster, it's easier, and harder for them to mess up. When the window is shorter, well, it's always gonna fit. But here's what you end up with: bulky vinyl trim to cover the gaps, less glass space, and lower energy efficiency. This is the difference between a shortcut install and a true fit. At Mr. Windows, we measure from the outside, brick to brick, siding to siding, so your new windows fit as close to the original of the opening as possible. For brick homes, we use the exterior depth to properly seat the new windows. For siding or stucco homes, we take the extra step. We're going to cut back the drywall if needed to ensure a perfect fit without hiding mistakes behind the trim. Now, we call this the true fit installation, and that's because that's exactly what you're going to get: precision, maximum glass, better insulation, and a clean, professional finish. This results in more glass, less filler, lower energy bills, and windows that are built to last because we don't believe in good enough. If you're replacing your windows, ask this simple question: do you measure from the inside or outside? If they say inside, chances are they're taking shortcuts. Call Mr. Windows and ask for a true fit installation, because not all windows or installers are built the same.